If you would like to see how I made this tumbler, keep watching. I'm starting off with a 24-ounce Plump tumbler from the Tipsy Magnolia. I painted my tumbler using Dixie Belle bonding gauze. This cup is for Crystal, the owner of It Needs Bling. She's a brand ambassador for Diamond Fire Rhinestones. We have an Elfster Christmas exchange between the brand ambassadors of DFR. Some of her requests on her wish list were cheetah, pink, and blue. Her favorite rhinestone colors are peach blossom and Capri blue. We pulled names back in September, and this clip is me attempting to start the cup in September. I found this image off of Pinterest that had all the items on her wish list, so I decided to try to draw this on the cup. At first I started out trying to draw the hearts, but after I did that, I didn't work on this tumbler until November because I still didn't have a for sure plan in mind. Now it is November and I have to send this out, plus my other cuts by December 15th, so I took it back out to try again. After drawing the hearts, I decided to draw random lines coming from the heart similar to the picture, and from there I decided which lines and hearts were gold, pink, blue, or cheetah. Now I'm taking my acrylic paint markers to figure out what color to use and color everything in, including the outline. For the outline, I'm using SS8s on the thicker lines and SS6s for the thinner lines in black to outline every black line you see on the tumbler. I chose black because I felt like it was going to make the tumbler pop. I also think outlines on tumblers really make or break your cup, so if you have a chance to outline something, take that extra step and do the outline. new luster line from DFR and start filling in all the blue sections. Then any section with an ombre or cheetah with the blue I did last since I had to use other colors. When doing the ombre, where the transition takes place, I try to incorporate a little of each color on both sides and just randomly place them where I think it makes sense. I used Mirage Champagne for the gold section, Peach Blossom for the pink section, and regular black for the black sections. I almost wanted to use Black Diamond for the black, but I didn't have that on hand. At this point with the Peach Blossom, I had used up all my SS3s, so it was hard to cover some of the tiny spots. I had already used my bag of Peach Blossom on another project, so that was expected. I ended up having to order some SS3s to fill in the gaps that I had. Crystal has a laser and does logo tags. I reached out to her to make a custom logo tag to go on the bottom of her cup. She didn't realize I was making the cup for her when I reached out, so she sent me a video to show the creation of the logo tag. I also want to show you some of the goodies I ordered on top of the logo tags. I'll be sure to link her website below. Making the tumbler, I decided to rhinestone a wine glass to go with our tumbler using the Capri blue luster. I'll be sure to add a YouTube short on this process. Now here's the finished tumbler. I love how this turned out and I couldn't stop filming and taking pictures of the tumbler. I think I'm going to have to do another tumbler like this again, but in different colors. I hope Crystal enjoys her cup as much as I enjoyed making it for her. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching.